Alright, yo, what is up guys? It's me, Goble, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we are here on the Archon for the 5th video of the one block Skyblock series. And in today's video, we are going to be doing some upgrades to our island, such as creating a cactus farm. And pretty much that's going to be probably the main thing in today's video that I'm going to end up getting done. I'm probably not going to have enough time for anything else, and if I do, it'll probably just be some fishing. So if you guys do end up enjoying today's video, make sure you guys do drop a like. Let's go for 60 likes on today's video. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm going for 5K subs by the end of 2021, and I definitely think we could do it if you guys do just subscribe. Also, make sure you guys come play the server with me. Goble.archonhq.net is the IP. And also, if you guys use code goble at checkout at shop.thearchon.net, you guys could actually get a free tier 1 rank on any realm on the entire network, not just the one that I play on, and you actually have 2 uses for that. So it's actually pretty cool. Make sure you guys use that code if you guys want 2 free ranks on any realm of your choice on the entire network. Anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and, without further ado, get into today's video. Hopefully you guys will enjoy. I'll see you guys in the video. Peace out. Alright guys, so just like the other videos, right click the realm selector, click on Skyblock, and click on the Origins realm, and then you guys could actually see this is the Skyblock Origins realm right here. This is where we left off at in the previous episode, and I believe I'm actually going to be making a cactus farm right here in this area. So basically what we're going to be doing is we are actually going to be doing such shop, and we are probably just going to go ahead and build, actually we're not even going to build a cactus farm. Let's actually build a sugarcane farm instead. I feel like that would be a much better idea. So that's basically what I'm going to do. So let's see. What we're going to do is go to farming. We're going to go to 2 stacks. And then we're going to get some water as well. So if I go to redstone or I'm not entirely sure. Farming, possibly? Yes, it is in farming. Great. So I'm going to purchase 2 of those, and then we're going to go ahead and basically just lay this out. So let's say I want to do it like this. I'm basically just going to like lay it out like this, and just every single corner is basically going to be like that, and this is basically how it's just going to go. Is I'm just going to keep going back and forth like this, and then we can actually change it to dirt whenever we make the upper levels. If we do add more levels to it, I'm not entirely sure if I want to add some more levels or not, so we'll figure that out as we go. But yeah, it's looking like we're probably going to need a little bit more than just 2 stacks if we want to fill in this entire area, so we're definitely going to have to work on that some. But for right now, 2 stacks, or however much it's going to end up being, is going to be enough. We don't need to have an insanely huge farm for right now, just because I'm not entirely sure how much longer we are going to extend the series, because if you guys didn't actually know, after this video, the next video is actually the last video of the series for right now, as far as I have been told, basically. So after today's video, the next video here on One Block Skyblock series here on the Archon Skyblock Origins, I'm not sure if there's going to be any more videos here on the realm, so we'll end up figuring that out shortly. But for right now, we have one more video left after this one, so we'll figure that out later on, and make sure that you guys can play the server so that we can continue this. And yeah, so basically now all we got to do is add the water, which is pretty simple. Also, you guys can probably hear in my background, there is actually a thunderstorm outside, and there's thunder and lightning as I'm recording, so I am putting in the grind. Make sure you guys subscribe and like the video for that. Alright, let's continue basically filling in all of this water, and this might be one of the more boring videos to you guys, depending on if you guys like this or not. I'm not entirely sure if you guys are gonna like this, but basically, you know, since I'm doing all this grinding and not doing many cuts, you guys might not enjoy this video exactly. So hopefully you guys will still enjoy it, of course. And if you guys do come on the server, of course, and support it, use my free rank code, I'll be able to continue the series. And I really do want to continue the series, completely honestly, guys. I am actually pre-recording all of these videos. I've recorded about 7 videos in a single day. The realm is still only a day old, and I've recorded 5 videos on the realm so far as of this video. So I'm basically just trying to grind out all of the content, get it all done so that I could have everything pre-recorded because I have nothing else to do today. So that is a very good idea on my part. So hopefully you guys are rocking with these pre-recorded videos, and this will probably be posted around 2 weeks from when I'm uploading it or recording it, actually. I'm recording these videos on August 1st, so hello from the past me, hello to the future me if you are watching this video. Anyways, let me stop rambling on and let's get this done. I'm gonna just cut it off and I'll cut it back once we get this other last row done. Alright guys, there we go. We have actually filled in all of the water, so now we're gonna go ahead and place down all of the sugar cane that we need to place down. And once we have that done, that's basically the entire farm. We just need to wait for it to grow, see how much money we make from it, if we are actually going to get close to being in the profit range in a short amount of time, or how that's going to work, because it looks like we spent around 600k on creating the farm, so that kind of sucks, but, you know, it's alright, and we will end up figuring out everything with that very shortly. I'm not entirely sure what the best method is to make money, but we will end up figuring that out in the future. I'm not entirely sure, though. And also, I think we're going to dedicate a video to grinding, like mobs and stuff, at public grinders, if there's any that are available at the moment. Alright, so anyways, I had to put that out really quickly, but basically, I am just going to probably dedicate a video to grinding mobs, if there's any public mob farms, or mob grinders that I can use. There we go, we have a perfect amount, so there we go, the island is completely full on that side. So, I think what I actually want to do is purchase some spawners. So, these are, okay, those are expensive, okay. So, IS warp. Let's see if there's any island warps that are unique visitors, total visitors. Alright, number 1 grinder is what this says. So, let's go ahead and put all of this stuff away. And put all this stuff in my PV2, and then we're going to go ahead and get my sword out, and we're going to start grinding over here just to see kind of how this does, just as a little bit of a test for the next video. So, okay, if I can get up, there we go. Mob coin trophy, mob coin trophy. Alright, let's go ahead and sell these mob drops. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Okay then. Well, alright, there we go. Let's see what we got going on here. Shop. Let's see what kind of heads we do need to unlock these. So we need, okay, we need 100 pig heads. 100 pig mob heads, that is. Okay, wow. P warp. Or /IS warp. Sorry. Alright, there we go. So, I don't know how I'm meant to pick those up. I really need these. I don't know why I'm not able to pick them up. Let me try and pick these up. Nice. Okay, there we go. /P or /IS warp. Alright, this is kind of weird to be honest, because I have to like jump down and pick them up. So, it's really, very odd. So, I'm just gonna continue grinding these. And try and jump down there and get some big heads. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end off today's video here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like on today's video. Let's go for 60 likes. Also, make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel. I'm going for 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and we actually are almost halfway there. So, yeah, make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure that you guys do come play the server with me. The IP is goble.archonhq.net, and the IP has been in the top center of your screen throughout the entire video. Also, make sure that you guys use code goble at checkout on shop.thearchon.net for a free tier 1 rank on any realm on the entire network, and you guys could use it 2 different times. Anyways, guys, also make sure that you guys do comment something nice down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. We do have one more video on the series, and we might even continue it if you guys do use my code and join with my IP. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.